Oh, how I love Vietnamese beef stew, also known as bò kho. It's reminiscent of a French dish called beef bourguignon. As you can see, this is definitely a dish that was influenced by the French during the colonization. So start off by making the marinade, which consists of grated ginger, fish sauce, Chinese five spice powder, black pepper. Mix this all together and then add your chunks of beef. I like to use a chuck roast only because it's perfect for a stew, but you can also use brisket. So you're gonna wanna cut the beef into 1 to 2 inch chunks and then massage the marinade in. Ideally, you want to marinate this overnight, but if you don't have time, please marinate it a minimum of 4 hours, or you can marinate it in the morning and then cook it in the evening. Prepare your aromatics by slicing lots of shallots and then chopping garlic and using Roma tomatoes. You're going to want to chop them up. And one of the key ingredients for this dish is lemongrass. So you're gonna wanna cut the top part of the lemongrass because that's not edible, and then smash it just to get all the flavors out. And remove the outer layer and then chop it. Now you're gonna brown the beef. So in a pot, on medium-high heat, add oil. I like to use annatto oil, which is basically annatto seeds infused with oil. Then remove the annatto seeds and use the oil only. Brown the beef in 2 separate batches, and it's important to do this so that your beef is nice and brown and not steamed. Once you finish cooking your beef, in this same pot, you're gonna add more oil. Then fry up your aromatics, which are slices of shallots, chopped garlic, and chopped lemongrass. You're going to want to cook this for a couple of minutes. Then add the rest of the ingredients, which are chopped tomatoes, some ketchup, toss it a little bit, then add your beef along with all of its juices. This dish is definitely our family's top 5 dishes that we love. Add coconut water, beef broth, and the other very important ingredient, which is star anise, kosher salt, mushroom powder, cinnamon sticks, bay leaf, lemongrass, quartered Roma tomatoes, carrots. Bring this to boil and then lower the heat to medium-low and cook it for an hour and a half. There are many different ways to serve the bò kho. I love to eat it as a soup with rice noodles, garnished with chopped green onions and chopped cilantro, slices of onions, and I love adding rau rum, which is a Vietnamese coriander. You can also add basil or mint leaves. Squeeze a bit of lime, and this is just mouth-watering. What I also like to do, in addition to my noodle soup, is get a French baguette and dip it.